So, Hemohim is the flagship product of Atomy. Registration is as Class 1 individual health food supplement by the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety of Korea. USDA certified, halal approved. And the Singapore Health Science Authority classified Hemohim just recently as a Chinese proprietary medicine. Hindi na po siya food supplement sa Singapore. Hemohim means hemo for blood, H for hematopoiesis, meaning production of blood cells, I for immunity, and M for modulator. The government of South Korea funded a research because their scientists are getting sick, and many were diagnosed to have cancer due to exposure to radiation. The Food and Biotechnology research team at the Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute tested 42 different kinds of herbs to find the best compound that brought out the best synergy effects to cure cancer and at the same time be a functional biodefense food against radiation. Ano po ibig sabihin nito? Kinombine nila iba-ibang proportions to come up with the best 42 different herbs that they know na mayroong anti-cancer and boosts immune. So for several years, they came up with 3 herbs. And it took them 8 years of research to come up with Hemohim, which is made up of 3 herbs tested in the Korean Radiological Hospital where cancer patients were undergoing chemotherapy and radiation therapy. So hindi po basta-basta lang na-claim na because the plant has anti-cancer effects, they came up with Hemohim. 8 years of studying this, studied several herbs to come up with the best proportion to be able, and then they tested this in a hospital, radiological hospital in Korea, sa mga patients po na talagang may cancer. So from Kyrie, yun po ang nag-research, diba, to Colmar, and then this was passed by evaluation of the Ministry of Food sa Korea and then distributed by Atomy. Can we have one Hemohim box? Okay. Ma'am, tayo ka na lang. Ayan, si Ma'am Dina. In one big box, do we have a big box? One big box, we have 10 smaller boxes. Di po ba? Alam niyo yan. 10 smaller boxes, and inside one small box has 6 sachets or packets. So, you have to, the direction is, you have to take 1 packet in the morning with an empty stomach. Wala muna pong iinumin kung hindi. Hemohim with an empty stomach, then another one at around 3 p.m. or dinner time. And 1 Hemohim po. 1 sachet of Hemohim is around 70 pesos, times 2, 140 pesos, times 30 days, yan lang po ang cost kesa po maubos lahat ng ipon nyo sa bayad sa chemotherapy at saka radiation therapy. Kasi po naisip ko, even if we are financially stable, we will not do X-ray and MRI and CT scan at a time. Hindi po yun natin yan gagawin. That's not practical. And we do not do tumor markers every month just to know may cancer ba ako. How many tumor markers? Ang dami po niyan. For the brain, for the prostate, for the thyroid, for your ovaries, for your colon. But if you are taking Himo-Him, tas mayroong tumutubo somewhere in your body, just a small lump, gumagaling na kayo. Hindi na po kailangan palakihin ang mass. Kapag po nag-o-opera kami, when in surgery and we find patients with big ovarian mass or very big colonic tumor, kami po mga doktor nag-iisip, bakit naman inalagaan ng ganito, itong bukol na to? Huwag po natin palalakihin. Kapag maliit pa lang, nakapanyo na po, go to the doctor. Huwag po kayong matakot malaman kasi may mga gamot na po. Huwag na po nating hintayin kung kailan wala ng lunas, yung ang laki-laki na, nahihirapan na yung katawan nyo, okay? Kung meron po tayong hindi alam na mga bukol, you have peace of mind kapag po umiinom kayo ng Himo-Him. Because ang Himo-Him po does not only has natural killer cells, it also stops the growth, anti-proliferative. Hindi na po dadami siya. Kung mayroon ka, nagsastop yung growth, tas pinapatay niya na. Okay? There are two types of immunity. The active immunity and the passive immunity. Example of active immunity is infection and vaccination. And the natural is through the placenta and breast milk. The artificial passive immunity, example, snake venom. So the organs that produce immune cells are the bone marrow, spleen, thymus, mucous membrane, tonsils, and the gut. And 70% of immune cells are in the gut. So, together with Himo-Him, it is important to take probiotics. Kasi po, naaalagaan yung gut. Pag healthy ang gut, maganda rin po ang immune system. So, to boost our immune system, we have to eat plenty, eat good fats, essential fatty acids, eat ano po yan, pwede rin yung omega-3 natin para sa essential fatty acids. Eat freshly caught fish. Yung pong nahuhuli sa dagat. Hindi po yung nahuli nyo sa fish pond. Kasi mayroon yung feeds, hindi ba? Freshly caught sa sea. Eat protein in every meal. Kung di nakakakain ng protein in every meal, ano po ang iinumin sa Atomy? Raise your hand if you know. If you need a lot of protein and it's not in your diet or you're a vegetarian, what can you eat? Drink na Atomy supplement. Spirulina. Use spices and herbs for food preparation. Usong-uso na po ngayon yan. Minsan may mga halaman tayo, di ba, sa bahay. Yung mga basil, dill. You know, you grow them in your pots and then you put them in your pasta. Yung mga basil, mint. Yan po ang spices and herbs for food preparation. So, the main ingredients of Himo-Him are Angelica radix, Peonia japonica, Cnidium officinale. These were all combined together through biological engineering and radiation technology. So the big three ang i-discuss ko po sa inyo. Angelica radix, it's also known as angel on earth. That is the common name of Angelica radix, angel on earth. And this angel on earth blooms only once a year during the feast day of Saint Michael the Archangel on September 29. After that whole day that it blooms, it stops at magbo-bloom na po ulit next year. So, lalo po akong naniniwala that Himo-Him is a gift from heaven. It is also a wonder agent. Dried fruit from the Angelica sinensis. It enriches blood, promotes blood circulation, modulates immune system, treat chronic constipation. Pakinggan niyo po ha, chronic constipation, heartburn, menstrual disorder, arthritis, runny nose, trouble sleeping, loss of appetite, nervousness, and it is found in the inner valleys of Thailand. It contains natural killer cells that kills cancer cells and fungus. It helps cure respiratory disorders such as TB. Furocoumarines are the active agents. Ano po to? Yung mga active agents ng plants para hindi sila kinakain ng mga animals. Yung mga herbivores. Mga plant-eating animals. So they have furocoumarines para po parang toxin sa mga animals para hindi maubos yung sila. Protection nila. It has an anti-tumor and warning, this has cytotoxic effects kapag po ginagawa as essential oils through steam distillation. In any amount, this is harmful for the cell of the human body. Anticonvulsant also for focal seizures. Anti-ulcerogenic, anti-secretory, and cytoprotective. Anong ibig sabihin yun? Yung pong nagagastritis or sinisikmura, usually papainom sa inyo, di ba? Aluminum magnesium hydroxide or Kremel S, Gaviscon. Yan po iproprotect yung lining ng stomach so that man-neutralize ang acidity ng stomach. Ulceronogenic para hindi po mag-cause ng ulcers because pag ang acid binubutas po ang stomach natin. Yung cells ng stomach natin kaya po nagbi-bleed yan kasi nabutas na. So, ang Himo-Him po, it helps para hindi po kayo magkaroon ng ulcers. Yung pong parating sinisikmura, very helpful po ang Himo-Him. Hindi na po kailangang masyadong omeprazole, ranitidine. Yan po, sasabihin 14 days nyo pong iinumin ang omeprazole, 40 mg once a day. The next plant is Paeonia alba radix, also known as the Chinese peony or Bai Xiao. It calms the mind. Importante po yan. In our busy schedule, lagi pong dapat meron time kayo sa gabi to calm your mind. Ako po pag tinitext ko yung mga anak ko, at napapansin ko parang may problema or hindi masyado nakikipag-usap or ang daming mga pangyayari na ang bilis-bilis to umaandar ang panahon, I always text them. Try to calm your mind. You know, you have to rest your mind. Kasi po minsan, we forget, to rest our minds. And it's important. Ang Himo-Him po, it calms the mind because of this plant. It inhibits cytokines. It potentiates effects of morphine. Ang morphine po ay opioid. Very powerful na analgesia for cancer, pain. So, it helps the morphine para hindi na po tumaas yung dose, yung mga may cancer. It potentiates the effect of morphine. Kasi po, the more ang pain, tinatitrate po ang morphine in higher milligrams para po hindi masyadong maging painful ang last few days sa mga cancer patients. So, we all know it's anti-neoplastic meaning anti-cancer. It increases probiotic in the gut, effectively treats autoimmune diseases. The active ingredient, peoniflorin. So, dalawa ng plant ang anti-cancer, di ba? And it has urokinase. Urokinase supports the natural resolution of thrombosis. Ano po yung thrombosis? When you have a thrombosed leg, merong clot na nakabara sa vein. Natutunaw po ng Himo-Him yung mga clots na nakabara sa mga blood vessels. Kaya po tayo nagkakaroon ng stroke kasi po may babarang clot, mamamatay yung part ng brain kung saan yung blood vessel. Kaya po tayo may heart attack other than the cholesterol plaques. May babara din sa coronary artery. Kaya nagkakaroon ng heart attack, which is also known as myocardial infarction, na iiwasan po yan when you take Himo-Him kasi tinutunaw niya po yung mga clots. So, if you are taking aspirin or clopidogrel, which are blood thinners, ingat din po with Himo-Him sa pag-share sa mga ibang patients. Always ask them, are you taking blood thinners? Kasi po, parang blood thinner, may blood thinning effect ang Himo-Him. Pag po nag-start mga pasa-pasa, pa-stop muna po natin ang Himo-Him. Okay? Most especially those who are taking warfarin. Yan po ang pinakamalakas din na blood thinner. So, Chuanxiong, hindi, meron pa pala, decreases hyperpigmentation and melanin, ang Peony. So, yung matagal na pong umiinom ng Himo-Him, pumupusyaw din, kagaya ng umiinom ng glutathione. Because it decreases hyperpigmentation and melanin, which is the brown pigment of the body. Laklakin na natin natin. Chuanxiong rhizoma is the last herb. Syringium officinale or lavage root. It has always been in the traditional Chinese medicine. Linguistolide is the active ingredient. It treats patients with stroke. So, ang CVA, nakikita niyo yan lagi, no? CVA means cerebrovascular accident. That is what happens to those who have stroke. CVA patient yan kasi attack. Pagka na-stabilize na yung stroke, nagpapahinga, nagre-recover na, the patient is a CVD patient. Meaning, the patient has cerebrovascular disease. Ang attack, yun yung stroke, pumutok. Pagka gumagaling na, meron lang siyang CVD, cerebrovascular disease. So, if merong sasabihin sa CT scan, meron pong mga maliliit na stroke, na mga clots doon sa part ng brain. Pero matutunaw din po yan in time. So babalik din po yung pagsasalita niya kung doon po sa part ng brain doon na for speaking or part ng brain na makakalakad or part ng brain na nakakabalik ng memory, wherever it is, yung small clots na yon matutunaw po at babalik sa dati. Hindi po lahat pag namatay na yung part ng brain, hindi na syempre, hindi na po yan babalik yung as normal as dati. But if the doctor tells you there are small clots, effective po ang Himo-Him kasi mas madadali yung pagtunaw ng mga clots. Sinasabi po yan sa CT scan. At pag pinakinggan niyo yung mga doctors niyo, sabihin, hintayin lang po nating matunaw yung mga blood clots. Pwede na pong mag-Himo-Him. Kung hindi pwedeng uminom pa ang patient dahil naka-NGT, you can ask your caregiver or your nurses to give Himo-Him through the nasogastric tube. Diba po, naka-NGT, minsan doon pinapakain. Pwede pong uunahin ang Himo-Him bago yung food na inosteurize. It also helps in headache, menstrual symptoms, ischemic disorders. Yan po yung mga chest pains. Chest pains kasi hindi na po maganda ang daloy ng dugo sa ating heart. Ischemic disorders. And it eliminates stasis of blood. Meaning, pag hindi na po masyadong maganda yung daloy ng dugo nyo, lalo na sa legs, yung mga naninigarilyo, nangingitim na yung mga dali-daliri, pwede pa po yan gumanda. Kasi po, ang himuhim, pinapaganda po yung daloy ng blood, especially in the lower extremities. So the environment pollutants, fumes, ultraviolet, alcohol, smoking, pesticides in vegetables, preservatives in processed food, trans fat collectively become free radicals. When left unchecked, this leads to oxidative stress causing premature aging and damage. Himuhim helps the body recover from oxidative stress, slow down the aging process, and degenerative changes. Himuhim activates the immune cells, natural killer cells, cytokines, lymphocytes. It fights infection and cancer. Activates bone marrow to produce RBCs. So, kung nag-activate po ng production of RBCs, for those of you who are very healthy, maganda po, donate blood every 6 months. Kasi po, nare-replenish ng bagong production of red blood cells ang body natin. At nakakatulong pa po tayo sa mga pasyenteng kailangan ng blood. So pag na-replenish po, gagawa ang bone marrow natin ng bagong RBCs, bago ang mga dugong paikot-ikot sa body natin. So you just go to the Philippine Blood Center or sa Red Cross and sabihin nyo, you want to donate. Mabibigyan po kayo ng card, susulatin doon kung ilang beses na kayong nagdo-donate every 3 or 6 months. And if you have a card, kita nyo lang po yung donation nyo, you will priority na mabigyan ng blood para sa nangangailangang kamag-anak. Also boost the cells, crucial in rejuvenation, repair, anti-aging. Himuhim is for those who needs to improve their immune system. Who are these? Elderly who have run out of energy, athletes with high need for physical strength, students who stay up late, housewives exhausted doing lots of household chores, husbands who spend very long hours of work. Sa work po mga husbands sa work. Kasi po habang linis ng linis at laban ng laba yung asawa, ginagabi yung husband dapat sa work. Pero yung pong na-properning na asawang babae, housewife, uminom po kayo ng Himuhim at Rhodiola Milk Tea Cell para hindi po kayo na-properning sa husband na nasa work. Hindi kayo ma-stress. Bahala siya kung saan siya nagpupunta. Basta bilan mo ko ng Himuhim at Rhodiola Milk Tea Cell para may points. PV. Okay? So, here are the pictures, the patients who I personally know. Permission was asked to take pictures and be included in this presentation. Ito pong first is my classmate in medicine. She is presently a pediatrician from Laguna. She was 52-year-old in 2021, diagnosed with ovarian cancer. Stage 3C. Histopath signed out as clear cell carcinoma. Minsan po naririnig natin, di ba? Stage 1, Stage 2, Stage 3. Wow, Stage 3 na grabe. Stage 4. Ang doktor po ang nagsasabi niyan, dinedepend po yan sa size, bukol, kung saan na kumalat, gaano kalaki, gaano na-affect mga lymph nodes. Meron pong basis, no? So 3C, hindi pa po, naka-confine pa po dun sa mga tabi-tabi ng ovaries, no? Pag 4 po, meron ng malalayo, yung mga kunwari may brain metastasis or meron sa bone metastasis. So stage 3C, her histopath signed out as clear cell carcinoma. Radiation therapy was done and chemotherapy. Pero bago po niyan ay 2 weeks before her therapy, nakipagkita po ako sa kanya sa St. Pio, dito po sa Eastwood. I gave her 1 box of Hemohim and I told her to continue to buy. She's an Atomy member pero consumer lang po siya ng Hemohim. And nagdo-donate din siya sa mga ibang cancer patients who cannot afford to buy Hemohim. And during her chemotherapy and radiation, ang napansin po niya, siya lang po ang walang side effects. No vomiting, no nausea, no muscle fatigue, and she can do the usual things every day. While others, nako-confine pa po kasi nga, sobra yung vomiting, sobrang hirap ng katawan. Plus, hindi po siya nagkakasakit because maganda yung immune system niya. Because when you are in chemotherapy and radiation therapy, this renders you immunocompromised. Parati kang madaling mahawa. So sometimes cancer patients don't die of cancer. They die of infection, pneumonia. Kasi nga, it renders them immunocompromised. So Hemohim does not only kills your cancer, it also builds you up. It builds up your immune system para kayanin mo ang chemo and radiation. Sometimes yung body po ang sumusuko because sa lakas ng gamot, ng chemo at radiation, yung pong person ang hindi may kaya Kaya hindi rin natatapos. But with Hemohim, together with chemo and radiation, perfect combination. Ngayon po, nag-travel na siya, cancer-free. She has gone through 2 PET scans and her CA-125 has remained low. Yun po ang tumor markers for ovarian CA. And she has been cancer-free for the past 8 months. Ang PET scan po kasi, para maintindihan nyo, hindi po yan basta CT scan lang. Meron pong ini-inject. Tapos po, yung pong in-inject, may parang isotope yan na didikit po yan sa mga kung nasan ang cancer sa body. It detects only cancer cells. So after the scan, sasabihin, 0, kasi hindi po siya puro normal na yung cells nyo, wala po siyang kinabitan. That's when the results say you're cancer-free. Yun po ang PET scan. And this is very expensive. Wala pong mas mura sa 60,000 because it will scan your whole body for the cancer cells. Next slide, please. This is, I think, Pastor Neil De Villeres and Mrs. De Villeres. Pwede pong tumayo. Andito po Mama Beth. And, ayun, nandun. Wala pa? Andun sila. Daughter-in-law po ito ng mga taga-Taytay na Atomians kasi family friend ko po sila and at the same time florist po ng family namin yung daughter niya. Daughter-in-law po niya to, si Che De Villeres. She's diagnosed to have breast cancer in 2022. Inopera po namin sa aming hospital sa Fairview ng modified radical mastectomy and then chemotherapy and radiation therapy, and she said na she has coped up with all the chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Yan po, nakapag-travel na siya sa Dubai with the son, and yan po, she has continued to take Hemohim and calcium because ang calcium po kailangan ng mga nag-chemotherapy, ng breast cancer because of osteoporosis. Next slide. Ito po, sister-in-law ko, pinara-wrap up po. Konti na lang. Ayoko kasi i-end I want to end it when it's the end of my lecture. Sister-in-law ko po siya. She is the sister of my husband, 63 years old when she was diagnosed to have breast cancer. 1 month lang po pagitan nila ni Che De Villeres nung inopera namin. We supplied her with Hemohim. Now, she has 0 cancer cells, meaning no uptake. She has slight osteoporosis. Other Hemohim are also effective in other diseases like non-healing wound, focal seizures, autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, oral lichen planus, systemic lupus erythematosus, And lagi nga po kami nagbibiroan ni Ma'am Dina Lee at saka ni Sharon Rose Master Nori Magsingit. Kung meron pong nakakakilala kay Chris Aquino, pakisabi po, uminom ng Himuhim kasi yan pong sagot sa sakit niya. Research shows that the following diseases can also be treated with coronavirus COVID-19, ulcerative colitis, indigo naturalis, spinal cord injury. If these herbs are, however, consumed over the years and months, beneficial effects are inevitable. Illnesses will be overcome and one's existence will be extended. It is a gift from heaven indeed. Ibig sabihin po, promise, hahaba po ang buhay ninyo.